So last time he was here, he missed this one. This is a very rare, according to someone, Herk elevator. It doubles as a service and a passenger. There you go. This is the education department. Wait.
What?
This is hydro, I think. Is it? It might be. Fire hose. Yeah, this one's rare. This one's hardly used, so I think we'll be able to do a route trip on this one.
Gigantic.
Levels beautifully. All right. And this is how we know it's a Herk. Right there. 4. Indicators up there. I think this is hydro.
It is.
Yeah. I want to send it up after so we can hear what kind of type of pitch it has. Because it's hardly. No, we're not getting off here. We're not getting off here. Dude, we're not getting off.
What is up here, though?
I don't know. It's an interesting little thing. I never got a full round trip on this. Let me get a picture of this. Herk.
Large.
Yeah, very large. Like, run to the back of it. You could go to the very back. Look at it. Neato. That was pretty good. All right, send it up. I want to hear it. So you have to go to the.
Not working.
What are you trying to do? Did he send it? Wait, let me try it. Odd. You're just trying to go down. It might be. Oh yeah, that's why. Hold on, it's gotta re-ring itself. We could have gotten that. Look at this.
Do I stick around or no?
We'll stick around. I still want to hear it. Hold on. It's gonna stop, but. There it is. Let's see here. I don't want to try to get it. How do I see? All right, here we go. Let's see if we can hear it. If it will close. D pitch, I think. All right. That's cool. I wish the fan wasn't on. All right, that's it.